We begin with the breaking news on the coronavirus.
The World Health Organization just declared the outbreak an international health emergency. Also today, we learned of the first case of human-to-human contact in the U.S. It happened in Illinois. Also, a cruise ship with 6,000 people on board, including many Americans, remains quarantined off the coast of Italy while passengers are screened for this dangerous virus.
CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez here now with all the details. Hazel.
Maurice and Christine, this is now the 6th confirmed case in the U.S. Health officials say a Chicago man contracted the coronavirus from his wife, who had just returned from the epicenter of the virus in China.
The CDC says earlier this month, a woman in her 60s who had traveled to Wuhan, China in December, returned to Chicago suffering from flu-like symptoms. She was hospitalized and diagnosed with coronavirus. Health officials say upon her return, she infected her husband. This is the first time the virus has been transmitted from one person to another in the United States. The couple is hospitalized in isolation, both listed in stable condition.
The risk to the general public in Illinois remains low. This person-to-person spread was between two very close contacts, a husband and wife.
Health officials are tracking people the couple had been in contact with, but are trying to ease concerns of a local outbreak.
This news does not change risk to the general public nationally, across Illinois, or in the Chicago area.
The development comes as the World Health Organization declares a public health emergency. Cases of the dangerous strain of coronavirus have now risen to more than 7,800 worldwide. The agency praised China's response to the outbreak, but says other countries with weaker health systems are at risk.
The only way we will defeat this outbreak is for all countries to work together in a spirit of solidarity and cooperation. We're all in this together.
In Wuhan, medical personnel are working around the clock to treat patients. There are now 170 deaths. Wednesday, a U.S. government chartered plane brought 195 American citizens back to the U.S. from Wuhan. The State Department says it will send additional planes to fly out more U.S. citizens next week. In Italy, thousands of passengers, including 114 Americans, were not allowed to leave a cruise ship while tests were conducted on a female passenger from China who came down with flu-like symptoms.
Now, there is some good news. More than 100 people in some of the hardest hit areas in China have now recovered from the virus and are out of the hospital. Christine?
Okay, Hazel, thank you.